We are here at the hospital in Koblenz, West Germany. We have 3 buildings on the campus. It has 210 beds. There's a high demand for energy supplied by the Capstone microturbines. Recently 2 Capstone C65 microturbines have been installed here. They provide electricity, heating and hot domestic water for the hospital here. The remaining heat is used to preheat the water that goes into the boilers for hot water production.
This is needed for the winter months to make the peak load of the thermal load that is needed here in the hospital. In the summer months, the turbines are running on their own and can produce enough thermal power for the hospital.
Before the
microgas turbine, we had 2 large boilers and 1 small steam boiler, with which the steam boiler was for the kitchen, the water boiler was for the hot water in the summer and to heat in the winter. Through the installation of micro turbines, the heating system can be completely shut off.
With these 2 C65 units from each, we get the 65 kW electrical power.
Our distributor, EnPort Power Systems, they developed their own heat exchanger here in this application. This allows them to have very high efficiency at high temperatures to meet the CHP requirements that applies in Germany.
And with every heat exchanger, we can get 126 kW thermal power. So we get an overall efficiency from around 85%.
We started in 2007-2008 to plan for a new central system because we supply to 3 other clinics as well. We realized that increased energy expenditure was needed. There were a few suggestions, among others, a power-warmth coupling on the block heating plant. Then the idea came for a micro-turbine. That became our favorite due to low cost, special needs and operating time. There are no wearing parts other than the turbine itself. The maintenance is once a year for 2 hours. Otherwise, the energy is here for us around the clock.
Germany have high objectives to lower the energy usage and reduce emissions. They're strongly encouraging new technology that do both.
What they are focusing on is on the renewable energy. It's also the much more efficient CHP units which Capstone offers with its microturbines.
The microgas turbine has been operating since October 2010. It has been running for 9,000 hours now. The experience with the turbine, in my view, it has been running very well.